gotta feel it going though, like fly nose. What do you mean?
This is the past one, and that's hopefully what we're going to try to get out of this one.
We can't see the bottom. It's crackling.
No, it's underneath the burning. It's hot.
You can hear it crackling.
I don't want to hit me again.
Oh, I'm in so much suspense right now.
Sam, I need a kiss. I'm gonna kiss my hands.
Kiss on the fire after. 7, 4, 1.
Oh my arm! Oh! Oh my arm!
Where'd it go?
Oh!
Where'd it go?
Fuck off! That hurt.
Oh crap! Oh shit!
Where'd it land?
That's going on my account.
That's that one.
You!